The purpose of today's lesson is to talk about equations of parallel and not perpendicular yet. We're just going to concentrate on parallel for this first video. Then we'll do perpendicular for the next video. Okay? And the following problems, line A and B, are parallel. Graph and label both lines, then write the equation of line B. Okay. So with line A, we have a slope of 2 over 1 line, and the y-intercept is -3. So we start at -3, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and so on, up 2 over 1. All right, so this is line A. Line A. Line B, which I'll do in green, it passes through 0, 4. So it's going through 1, 2, 3, 4. I would plot that point. So the y-intercept is 4. What's the slope? Well, if lines are parallel, they have the same slope. That's what that means. We've discovered that. So the slope has to be 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, or down 2 over 1 this way. So these two lines are parallel. That's B. Okay? Y equals -4x plus 1. The slope is -4 over 1. The y-intercept is 1. So start at 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Man, it's hard to do that. Up 4 over 1. Okay, so here's our first line, and I notice it's got a negative slope. It should be going downhill. That's line A. Line B through 0, -5. Same slope. Down 4 over that way 1. Up 4 over 1. These should be parallel. Pretty close. Not perfect. Okay, so parallel lines mean same slope. Why don't you try, oh, I was supposed to do the equations. My bad. So line B, it's same slope. That one was up 2 over 1, 2x, and it's through 4. This one had a negative slope of 4. And where did it go through? -5. Okay. I just couldn't see that on my screen. Okay. Can you do these two on your own? I'm going to pause it. And then you check and make sure you got them right. Okay? All right, how'd you do? Y equals half x plus 7. And then did you get these two parallel? Positive slope going uphill. Did you get your equation? Ah, that one's kind of tricky, huh? Because where is it going to cross? Well, we know the slope. It's 4x. But we don't know the y-intercept. How do we find the y-intercept? Let's see. Oh, that's right. We use the equation y equals mx plus b. This is going to be x, y, and we have our slope. So let's substitute in 4, oh no, that's a +3, plus b. So -3 plus 12, darn it, equals 12 plus b. Subtract 12. b equals -15. We learned this in previous lessons, so we had to resort to that to find the parallel equation. That happens sometimes, okay? In the following, lines A and B are parallel. Find the equation for line B without graphing. Okay, we got this. All right, let's find out the slope and the y-intercept. -3, b is 7. Do I even need the y-intercept? No, I'm concentrating on the slope. So the slope of a parallel line is going to be -3. Yes, because they're parallel. It passes through 2, 3. So now I know a point, and I have to use x, y. So we use the equation y equals mx plus b, put in y, put in slope, put in x, find b. -6 plus b, 3, add 6, 9 equals b. There's my b. Here's my slope. Y equals negative 3x plus 9. All of this should be written down. So when I check your notes, that's what I expect. So m equals 1/3. So a parallel slope is going to be 1/3. But I don't know b. I'm going to do the same thing. Y equals mx plus b. Here's my y. Here's my x. Put in y where it says y. Put in 1/3 where it says m. Put in x where it says x. This is a negative 2. Add 2 to both sides. B is 4. Check. Check. Write the equation. 1/3 x plus 4. All right. So in summary, parallel, same slope. That's what you need to know. Okay, this concludes our lesson on equations of parallel lines.